What's up everyone, I'm back for another video, and today guys I will be sharing with you my best smartphone apps that pay you cash through PayPal. So we have three things to discuss here guys. The first one is the name of the app, the second is the ways to earn from this app, and the third one is the cash out threshold from this app. So why PayPal guys? Because when you see PayPal in the payment options, you will feel secure because PayPal is an American company that specializes in payment methods and in money transfers, and it has been there for so long. So in my own experience, I am already a PayPal account holder since 2011, so that's around roughly 9 years. So without further ado guys, we will now start discussing about my smartphone apps that pay you cash.
That's my best friend.
First app that we will discuss is the Zap surveys, and the ways to earn from this app is by just answering daily surveys from these three categories: the top research, peanut labs, and the pollfish. So every day guys, they post surveys here ranging from 10 cents to $2 US dollars. So as you can see, I have my balance there, 26.07 already. Then other ways to earn is the daily login cash. So if you log in for day 1, you will receive 1 cent. For day 2, you will receive 2 cents. For day 3 and the consecutive days, you will receive 3 cents. So if you miss a day logging in, you will go back again to the day 1. They have here the Zap goals. So whether you're rejected in the survey, they will still count it as a Zap survey. So the third one is the one below is the current challenge. I already ate up all the login challenges here guys. When you log in for 150 days, you will receive an extra $3. So upon signing up from this guys, and you enter a referral code from the one who invites you, you will acquire $6 to your first survey, and you will receive also 75 cents as a welcome reward. So my option here guys is PayPal. So the threshold here is $25. As you can see, I just accumulated more from the $25 because it's very hard to wait again for $25. So might as well, I'll just accumulate as long as I can. And I have another account from this guys, and it's my wife's account. Every day it's so exciting to just farm from these surveys with the cents. Like for example, if you don't want the survey because it's 15 minutes, answer with an underage years of how old you are. So for example, usually they have 18 years old and above legality to answer this survey. So if I'm tired to answer the 15 minutes survey, I'll just put an age like 16 or 15 years old, so I'll be rejected and I'll get 2 cents and 3 cents or 3 cents from it. By the way guys, I have a separate video discussing the Zap survey, so please check the links below. I will link below all the infos I am discussing here. So the second app, let's go back, is the Mucha. And the ways to earn from this app is just try to subscribe, follow, like, or download the task here. So for example, here we have all the applications here. You can see the Instagram, the Twitter, Spotify, sign apps. So usually guys, this is the platform where people usually buy subscribers, followers, and even likes, or even the positive comments from the product they have in the Amazon here. And you can also install to earn from this app. And other ways to earn from this app is of course inviting your friend, like giving your referral code. And you can also watch videos for gem. Here you can watch movie trailers and even the application advertisements or commercial. You can use this gem through their sister company, which is called the Mucha. Along with Mucha, guys, you will install with their sister company, the Mujoy. So it is the app where you can use your gems here, gem farming here. And how to redeem. So the cash out threshold here, guys, is you can see the PayPal, $5 for 5,000 coins. And as of the moment, I have 3,907 coins. So maybe for 2 days I can already cash out. Moving on, the third app is the Mujoy. So this is the sister company of the Mucash. The ways to earn here is, of course, using your gems by playing in this section. So as you can see, I play already this morning, and I am ranking number 1 for today. So the previous, I am second, so I gained 267. If within 24 hours, if my score was not beaten by any players, I will receive a 196 coins tomorrow by redeeming here. Same with Mucash, and redeem your coins through these payment methods. And you can also buy Mujoy gems. So for 100, I usually buy here 100 gems for 2,500 coins, because the games is the fastest way to earn coins from this app. Moving on, we have the fourth app. The name is Toluna. So the ways to earn from this app, guys, is plainly answering surveys. So what happened, it took time. Other ways to earn is also inviting friends. And the cash out for this one is $20 if you reach 40,800 points. So as of the moment, guys, I think I will just flash what's the interface of the Toluna. I think they have a problem now. I think they are maintaining their site now. Then fifth one is the survey on. The ways to earn here is still answering surveys about finance, current affairs, and other stuffs. So here as you can see here, for 15 minutes, if you answer this survey, you will get 8,000 points. So the range of point here is around 1,000 to 9,000 points for one survey. So it's very easy to reach the threshold point of 20,000. So 20,000 points is equal to $2. So if you can see my history here, yeah, I answered all these surveys already, the 5,500, 1,000, and even the quick poll you can answer for 1 point only. Then you can see here I already withdraw 33,000 points, which is equivalent to $3.3. Then that's the red one is my cash outs. So 24. So I withdraw that already from here. 30,000, 30,000 again. Here, the exchange of points. You can see PayPal here. So moving on to the next app is the Sparefive, which by the way, guys, I also have a separate video of this for elaborate discussion of how to earn from this app. So as of the moment, I ate all the tasks here, and what's left is the web task only. I already earned $119 here. So this is my weekly payout before. So the cash out threshold here is only $1, and the task cutoff is every Thursday, and you will be paid around Saturday. So the money will reflect in your PayPal account during Saturdays in Asia region. And you can also invite friends here and earn a percentage from what the people you referred. The task they do, you can have a percentage from it for lifetime. The seventh one is Superfun. Superfun is a free investment app which uses energy currency, and the ways to earn here is by watching videos, application videos. Let's take for example your pedometer, your steps also earn here. So for example, we will claim it. So you have 1,428 easy already. Then bonus profit. This is the easiest one. Like you just have to tick. Yeah. Here you have codes also. You will earn from just viewing the code. So you acquire already 408 easy. Then here guys is an application advertisement. Let's try. Yeah, it plays. So this is what it looks like. So you will just watch this application promotion or advertisement. Then you have the seconds here, 7. What's left here? Then after that one, you just have to close. Then you will earn already the energy currency. So as of now I have 2.4 million. So you can use this easy currency from here. So this section is the free profit, where you can earn the easy currencies, and here is the free investment. So usually you will go to here, the investing hours by country. So as you can see here, the one with the blue ones stating open, this is the markets that are open today. So you can invest from it now. Like for example, if you pick United States, so here you can see the companies that have stocks from it. So usually guys, they say that it is not always credible to buy stocks from the highest ones, because as the usual saying, what goes up must go down. So usually if this price is already in maturity, so probably it will go down. So it's safe to buy stocks from the middle ones, because it's still rising up, like it's a bullish stock. You can never tell. My suggestion is you just have to Google the company that's in here. Like for example, let's Google this OHGI. OHGI, then you put stocks after the, yeah, you can see it's bullish for 1 day, so 5 days. So don't be tricked guys by this chart. For like when you see it's rising, but it's usually for 1 day only. But if you pick the 5 days, it is like sideways. Fast way to earn here is inviting friends. Like if you invite friends here, you will gain 200 easy points. So for every referral you have, you gain 200,000 easy points. And also the people you invite, they also earn 200,000 points. And let's now talk about the the cash out. So the cash out here is 15 million easy points for 15 US dollars. So if you reach that points, you can already cash out your energy currency, or convert the energy currency to PayPal Cash.
That's my best friend.